To customize a report, select Reports from the left-hand menu. Select the report you want to export, such as the profit and loss or the balance sheet. Adjust the date range, add or remove columns, apply filters. For example, if you are interested in a specific customer, you can apply the filters accordingly. Once customized, export the report to Excel for further analysis. Open the downloaded Excel file to begin your analysis. Excel offers a range of tools to analyze and visualize your financial data, starting off with the formulas. You can apply formulas such as average, find average sales or expenses over time, percentage change, assess growth or decline between periods. Apply conditional formatting, highlight key metrics such as high expenses or losses to identify trends and outliers. Create charts and graphs. Use Excel's charting features to visualize your data. Bar column charts can be used to compare revenue, expenses, or profits across periods. Pie charts can break down revenue or expense sources. For example, Flourish Bakeries can create a pie chart to visualize the revenue split between product lines like pastries and custom cakes. Line charts can show trends over time for sales or expenses. Excel also allows you to merge data from various QuickBooks reports for a more complete analysis. To combine data in Excel, you can export additional reports such as cash flow statement and expenses by vendor. Open the reports in Excel and import them into a single workbook. Use copy paste or Excel's Power Query to link data sets. You can build consolidated reports by combining sales, expenses, and profits into one dashboard for an overarching view of financial performance. Once your analysis is complete, Excel makes it easy to share your findings. To share Excel reports, save the file with a clear name, such as Q3 underscore financial underscore analysis. Ensure the data is well organized and charts are easy to understand. Send the file as an attachment or summarize key insights in the body of the email. For meetings, use Excel's print or export as PDF features to create presentation-ready materials.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.